Copper Concentration Plant Number 3, a new and confident achievement. AMMC Mining and Metallurgical Complex is a leading producer of non-ferrous, rare and precious metals in Uzbekistan. It accounts for 5% of the country's total gross industrial output and 6% of its industrial exports. A worthy gift for the 44th anniversary of the state independence of the Republic of Uzbekistan was the completion of the construction of Copper Concentration Plant Number 3 of the AMMC Mining and Metallurgical Complex. This significant event is a vivid example and a tangible result of the economic reforms implemented under the leadership of our head of state. It seems only recently, on July 29, 2021, that the president of the country, Shavkat Mirziyoyev, launched the construction of this facility, which is of a strategic importance for the economy of both the city and the republic. In just 4 years, a modern enterprise equipped with the latest mining and processing technologies from 10 leading global manufacturers has risen on what were once mountain peaks. The construction of Copper Concentration Plant Number 3 was carried out under the constant supervision of the President, who visited the site during each of his trips to AMMC. His attention provided an important impetus for further accelerating the construction process, installing state-of-the-art equipment with automated control systems and implementing innovative technologies. During his most recent visit on October 15 of the last year, Shavkat Mirziyoyev launched the construction of Copper Concentration Plant Number 4. The scale of the project is reflected in the numbers. During the construction of Copper Concentration Plant Number 3, which covers an area of 196 hectares, the volume of concrete works amounted to 774,000 cubic meters. 109,000 tons of reinforcement were installed. 38,000 tons of technological equipment were installed. 69,000 tons of metal structures were installed. 360,000 meters of technological pipelines were installed. 2 million meters of electrical cables and 1 million meters of automated process control system cables were laid. More than 23,000 construction workers and over 1,000 units of specialized equipment were involved in the construction of Copper Concentration Plant Number 3. At the first stage, the plant will process 60 million tons of ore per year. It is worth noting that this is 1.5 times more than the current capacity. This will make it possible to produce 917,000 tons of copper concentrate annually, which accounts for 4% of global production. In 2025, along with the completion of construction and commissioning works, trial runs of the equipment were carried out at Copper Concentration Plant Number 3. The first concentrate was produced on March 27. In June, the first line of the technological chain was ready for operation under the control of a centralized dispatch center. In July, it was launched in test mode. A new chapter in the company's development and the preparation for the industrial launch of one of the largest facilities in Uzbekistan was marked by the hot commissioning of the full technological cycle of the first line from August 8 to 11. During this stage, more than 300 tons of copper concentrate were produced and sent to the copper smelting plant for further processing. Let us take a look inside the production workshops and see how copper concentrate, the final product, is obtained from ore. The production process at copper concentration plant number 3 consists of 3 main stages: preparatory stage, mineral liberation and preparation for further processing; main stage, separation of minerals based on their physicochemical properties using gravity and flotation methods; auxiliary stage, dewatering and filtration of the final product. The journey of the ore begins at Yoshlik 1, from where it is delivered to the primary crushing plant located on the edge of the open pit of the same name. There, pieces of rock larger than 1 meter are crushed down to 30 centimeters. Then, using 2 main conveyors, each 4.2 kilometers long, the raw material is transported to the cores of ore stockpile. Then, it undergoes dry screening and 2 additional stages of crushing, after which it is mixed with water and sent to the grinding and flotation plant. There, the ore is ground in ball mills to a sand-like state of 74 microns, and then pumped as slurry to the flotation section. A modern Falcon gravity concentrator is installed here, capable of extracting even the finest particles of gold and platinum at this stage. The second stage is flotation, which is the key stage, as this is where the concentrate is obtained. It is important to highlight the crucial role of the reagent plant. Those main tasks include receiving, safely storing, preparing to the required concentration, and accurately supplying chemical reagents into the technological process. All stages of the plant's operation, selection, preparation, dosing, the order of reagent addition, and so on are fully automated. This eliminates the human factor, ensures high product quality, and enables efficient use of resources. The third stage is the watering and filtration. First, the copper molybdenum concentrate is thickened and sent for selective flotation, where molybdenum is separated from copper using chemical reagents. The copper concentrate is thickened once again, then filtered and sent to the copper smelting plant. One of the key unique features of the new plant is the fully automated control system developed by the German company Siemens. It covers the entire technological cycle of the enterprise, from the continuous transport and crushing of ore to the enrichment process, water supply, and waste disposal to the tailing storage facility. The system includes not only the main technological unit but also all auxiliary devices and components located throughout the entire technological chain. This configuration ensures their synchronized operation, comprehensive monitoring of parameters, and real-time control from a single dispatch center. The system receives data from more than 16,000 instruments and stores it on uninterrupted archival servers. This enables analysis and diagnostics, identification of potential causes of malfunctions, and the generation of electronic reports without the need of paper documentation for events of varying age. Copper concentration plant number 3 is a treasure trove of numerous innovations and technological advancements that had never before been used at AMMC in Uzbekistan or even in Central Asia. First and foremost, these are the latest technologies. Thanks to the use of modern high-pressure roller crushing technology and combined enrichment technology, copper recovery is expected to reach 85%. For the first time at the complex, a continuous flow technology is being used. Primary crushing takes place at the Yoshlik 1 open pit. This includes ball mills over 7 meters high and 13 meters long, powerful Warman pumps with a capacity of nearly 14,000 cubic meters per hour and a head of 14 meters. The Falcon gravity concentrator mentioned above, which can separate precious metals particles as small as 10-20 microns, larger capacity flotation machines, and Larox filter presses. During the construction of Copper Concentration Plant No. 3, special attention was paid to environmental protection and site landscaping. A greening program was incorporated at the design stage and has now been fully implemented. The teams at Copper Concentration Plant No. 3 and indeed across the entire AMMC mining and metallurgical complex celebrate another anniversary of the country's independence and are undoubtedly entering into a new era. Ahead lie new goals, ambitious milestones, grand achievements, and victories.